Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm making video after a very long time. I know it's almost 2 months now. I'm so sorry about that. So my skin is feeling very rough and dry nowadays, and especially in this winter. So I'm going to share a face pack with you, one of the best Malai Kesar face pack for winter. So for that you will need obviously Malai, that is fresh milk cream. Also you'll need honey. I'm making this video from my phone, so everything is ulta. Then you will need some Kesar milk, Kesar diffused in milk, and once it come with the yellow color, you can add it with your face pack. So let's just make it. So first I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of honey with the Malai. I have taken around 1.5 teaspoon of Malai. You can increase and decrease according to your choice. And the mixture tastes amazing. Trust me, you should try it. You can use it as a bread spread also. This is amazing, just yum. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the Kesar milk and just mix it. And if you feel that your face pack is a little bit runny, you can add more honey and milk cream. Or if you feel that it's too thick, then you can add more of the Kesar milk. So now I'm going to apply it on my face with the help of my hand, because I don't have any face pack brush right now, and I love to use apply my face pack with my hand. Use it in a circular motion, especially if you want to increase your blood circulation on your face. Also I'm going to apply a little bit on my lips, because my lips is also very dry and patchy nowadays, under my eyes, all over my face. Also you can use it all over your body just to have a polished effect. All the ingredients in this face pack is really moisturizing, especially Malai. Malai is a great source of moisturizer. Also it eats out all the dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. Then it has honey. Honey is also again a great source of moisturizer, and also it has a mild bleaching agent. Really, honey? I know. Okay, then it has Kesar, which is really good for enhance the brightness of your skin. And then lastly it has milk, which is the best cleanser in the world. So it gives cleanse your skin very well. So I'm going to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then I'm going to rinse it off. And I was eating the face pack constantly. So after 10 minutes, this is the final result. As you can see, my skin is looking really clear and glowy. So especially my chin area and cheek area is looking really clear, because all the dead skin cells from this area and the roughness and dryness is gone, totally gone. So you can try this face pack, easy peasy face pack. If you don't have that much time, just try this face pack in this winter. Obviously you gotta love it. I just love to touch my skin right now. And baby, just 1 second, okay, just 2 seconds. Okay, so that was my video for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you enjoy. Okay, bye. So here I'm trying, because I can't be regular on my channel, but I'm trying with my best. So yeah, that's all for today, and bye for now. Okay, let's take a selfie or a thumbnail picture, okay?